The options are endless for things to do whilst you're here on holiday in New Zealand. You're more likely to not be able to fit them all in, I'd say. You could be hiking down through a valley by morning and then overlooking it by helicopter in the afternoon. I love going up to Kaikoura and swimming with the dusky dolphins up there. That's a true magnificent experience. You can go out kayaking in the Abel Tasman National Park, through Queen Charlotte Sound. If you're a nature or wildlife lover, there's plenty of bird life and beautiful bird song to listen to whilst you're out in the hikes. Or if you're looking for a great adventure, you can go through glowworm caves, you can go jet boating, rafting, canyoning. If you're looking for something a bit more relaxed and just to wind down, there's plenty of different vineyards. You can have wine tastings and beautiful fine foods at.